Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to set break reminders on YouTube. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would go to YouTube. Then you would click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. Then you would scroll down to the time watch option. Click on the time watch option. Here you will see the option for remind me to take a break. You can turn this on if you wanted to send reminder either for every 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 1 hour. That is up to you, or you can customize it. So now every 30 minutes when you watch YouTube, it will send you the reminder to take a break. And that is how you can set the break reminders on YouTube. Thank you.